It was all a dream. It was all a dream. It was all a dream. It was all a dream.
Every day's a new adventure. Daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter. Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Hello, people,
and welcome back to another Etienne. Again. Welcome back to another Ian.
I have to do it all over again. Take two. Hello, people,
and welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Welcome, people.
It's been a while.
It's been a minute. Last vlog we did was with Marina.
Yes.
And then we did a little bonus mashup with Marina.
Yes.
So today's vlog is going to be a short vlog.
Yep.
Even though it's been a long day for us because we've been waiting at home all morning
For
packages.
Packages.
You know, Wife for Life is always ordering stuff. And for...
Excuse me? It's for both of us and somebody else. So,
Okay.
yes.
Wife for Life is always ordering stuff. Anyway, today's vlog is about an unboxing.
Yes.
So you must be wondering, why is it an unboxing video but we're outside?
Exactly.
We are gonna unbox our Versace Medusas.
Medusa Biggie.
That was made infamous
Exactly.
by the notorious B.I.G., which is one of our favorite
rappers.
all-time rapper. They're Jamaican. Biggie spawned from Jamaican,
Yeah.
but that's not the reason. You know what I mean? We both
His lyrics were good. His rhymes, his
we
lyrics.
both agree that as a lyricist, as a poet, Biggie Smalls was just on point when it comes to storytelling. Yeah, storytelling and rhyming, he was just on point. And as much as dancehall and reggae is our genres, hip-hop and R&B is up there as well.
Forever in our hearts.
So today, as you can see, check out the weather. Turn around so you guys can see the weather. It's very nice. Not so sure where you guys will get the best view. Let's hope we are in light.
It's in the 70s. I don't know what that is in Celsius or whatever it was.
70 degrees, kind of like Jamaica weather,
Fahrenheit,
you know, without the humidity.
Yeah.
So we're resurrecting Biggie Smalls today.
Exactly.
And we're doing so by honoring Biggie
Yes.
by purchasing 2 pairs of
Medusa Biggie.
Medusa Biggie, and we're going down to Zurich to get it from Versace itself. You know, so we're
Run
not...
away, Daniela.
Yeah. So we're definitely not shortchanging Biggie.
No.
It's 70 degrees. Okay, we're going to have a great summer. And for that reason, we decided we need some sunglasses, and we're going to be sporting Biggie this summer.
Well, I got my Gucci's.
Yeah. Wife for Life got a Gucci there. There, let me showcase it.
Nice.
Yeah. So,
But an additional Versace pair would be
and
great.
I'm rocking Tom Ford. It's not summer tint, but there's a tint in it, you know, and I do love my Tom Ford.
Yeah.
But we're gonna be honoring the summer, honoring Biggie this summer, and maybe a little bit before the summer, you know.
Yeah.
Because as long as the weather is like this, we definitely.
We'll be wearing them.
So anyway, on to Zurich.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
We are in Zurich, people, but the train that we took us to a whole different parts of the main station. So now we're walking down to the typical main station. Then we're gonna hit the rodeo drive of Zurich. And then from there, we have to find Versace. We're not walking, are we? Now we're gonna take a tram. So we're doing a lot of vehicles today. So we drove from home.
Planes, trains, and automobiles. No planes.
No planes. We drove our car to that town that you saw us when we first signed on.
Yeah.
And then we took a train to the main station, which we are at now. And then we're gonna take a tram that's gonna take us right in front of Versace. So, what does that song go? Versace, Versace, Versace?
Zurich.
Okay, Wife for Life is going to be doing the unboxing, and I'm going to do the camera work. So
it comes in a beautiful Versace black bag with the Medusa logo. And they're both the same, so you don't need to do both of them. And there's the box, which is gold Versace Medusa. I'm going to take them all off. But I'll try and slide it up. Yeah.
Cool.
Keep it intact.
We keep so many boxes. We need
I know.
just for boxes.
So.
Okay, this is the reveal.
Pull up. Ooh.
Ooh, a nice Versace case. Yes.
So let's take these out.
Take this out.
There's some little. There's a cloth. There's a cloth for it. And some, I don't know what those are.
Oh, your little
Versace, maybe it's authenticity.
Okay, right, authentication.
Yeah.
Right. So hold on. We need to clear this spot just for this. 3, 2, 1.
I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya. I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya.
Yeah.
Yes. Sticker on there just to say it is Versace.
Open it up so we can see the beauty.
Bam, 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 bam.
Boom. Yeah. So
There
the
you
beauty
go.
is really on the side.
I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya. I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya. I'm clocking ya, Versace shade watching ya.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about. Have your cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Anything negative, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah.